Alright, sino kaya kina Melay at Nyoy ang ating grand winner? Sino sa palagay nyo, Resorts World Manila? Now to award the trophy and 2 checks worth 1 million pesos each. Dahil ang isa ay para sa chosen charity ng grand winner. Kasama naman namin ngayon ang Chief Operating Officer ng ABS-CBN, Mr. Carlo L. Cadigpac. And ABS-CBN Head for Free TV, Ms. Cory Vidanes. And now to announce the name of our grand winner, we have our megastar, Ms. Sharon Cuneta. Ate Shawi, Sir June, do the honors of announcing the grand winner. Eto na, Ate Shawi.
Garnering 51.93% on the total votes. The grand winner of Your Face Sounds Familiar is...
Congratulations to the first Your Face Sounds Familiar grand winner, Melay! And palakpakan nyo rin, Yoy Volante, Jump John Brunner. Melay, halika muna dito. Kunin mo muna ang iyong plaque, ang trophy mo, and half of your 2 million pesos, Melay. Jason. Ayan na. Congratulations, Melay. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa lahat ngayon?
Ay, naku talaga, sobra. I cannot believe this happening. God moves in mysterious ways talaga kasi hindi naman talaga ako singer. Pero my God, Lord, thank you. Sa aking charity, sa simbahan sila. Thank you very much dahil nag-pray siguro silang rosary. Kaya siguro nanalo ako. Thank you sa inyong pray and sa suporta. Thank you, I love you so much. Sa paniniwala, thank you sa paniniwala.
Ayan, at dahil 1 million na matatanggap mo and the other million goes to your chosen charity, which is? Ano yung chosen charity mo, Melay?
Alay Kapwa Social Action Diocese of Barbero. Pero hindi sila, wala pala sila dito. Ay, andito pala?
Ayan, ito para sa charity of the grand winner. Congratulations, palapakan nyo naman.
Thank you very much for coming to Manila.
Ma'am, how do you feel na natanggap po ang 1 million pesos?
Napakalaking tulong po na pinili ni Melay ang Alay Kapwa program ng ating simbahan dahil napakarami pong kapatid natin na mahihirap na matutulungan. Salamat kayo, Melay.
Mami, thank you sa nunal mo dyan.
Maraming salamat. And of course, congratulations to having the second highest number of votes, Nyoy Volante. And of course, to award the second runner-up, Sir Gary. Or you're right here pala. Sir Jed, nandito. Ayos. Ayan, napalapakan nyo naman lahat ng finalists natin. Kapamilyar,